Natural vegetation refers to a plant community which has grown naturally without any human aid. The following major types of vegetation may be identified in our country. Tropical evergreen forests, tropical deciduous forests, tropical thorn forests and scrubs, montane forests, mangrove forests, tropical evergreen forests. These forests are found in the Western Ghats, Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar, upper parts of Assam and Tamil Nadu coast. The trees can reach a height of 60 meters or above as the region experiences a short dry season and rainfall more than 200 centimeters. Some of the important trees of this forest are ebony, mahogany, rosewood, rubber, and cinchona. Tropical deciduous forests. These forests are found along the foothills of the Himalayas, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Jharkhand, West Odisha, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and Tamil Nadu. These forests are also called the monsoon forest. They are divided into moist and dry deciduous and are found in the region receiving rainfall between 70 cm and 200 cm. Teak, bamboos, sal, shisham, people, neem, sandalwood, khair, kusum, arjun, mulberry are the commercially important species found here. Thorn forests and scrubs. This type of vegetation is found in the semi-arid areas of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. The natural vegetation consists of thorny trees and bushes like acacia, palm, euphorbia, and cacti. Trees are scattered and have long roots, penetrating deep into the soil in order to get moisture. The stems are succulent, enabling the conservation of moisture. Leaves are mostly thick and small to minimize the loss of moisture through evaporation. Montane forests. In mountainous areas, natural vegetation changes with increasing altitude. Deciduous forests are found in the foothills of the Himalayas. Wet temperate forests like oaks and chestnuts, etc., are found between the altitude of 1000 to 2000 meters. On the foothills of the Himalayas, up to 1500 meters, the evergreen trees like sal, teak, bamboo, and cane grow abundantly. The temperate conifer trees like pine, fir, oak, maple, deodar, laurel spruce, cedar, etc. are found on the higher slope between 1500 meters to 3500 meters. At high altitudes, generally more than 3600 meters, alpine grasslands are found. Mangrove forests. The mangrove or tidal forests are found in the deltas of the Ganga, the Mahanadi, the Krishna, the Godavari, and the Kaveri, etc. The Sundarbans, situated in the Ganga-Brahmaputra delta, is the largest mangrove forest in the world. Thus, there is a wide range of natural vegetation in India, which not only supports the environment of the country, but also has a lot of economic value.